Come along with me as I transform my hair from curly to straight. In this video, I'll be showing you some of my favorite products that I've been using for nearly 2 decades. All the items are linked below, so if you're interested in trying them, I've incorporated the links. Also, use the poll in the comment section to let me know if you've tried any of these or if you have any other recommendations I should try. Okay, and right here, what I'm doing is I'm rinsing my hair to get the previous products out, but then also making sure it's wet thoroughly. So whenever I start adding the shampoo, the conditioner, the serum, and all that goodness, that it lathers up very well. Okay, so I've washed my hair a few times now, so now I'm just giving it a good rinse. And I'm going to start by adding the conditioner and then the 2 serums. These products are really good for humidity if you want to keep your straight, even when it's humid outside. Like on rainy days, I could be outside, my hair is straight, and if it doesn't get wet, it's not going to frizz up. I'll also show you 2 additional products later on that also helps with frizz. Okay, so that D is done. So now we're gonna head to the next step. Ooh, that's a lot, huh? So what I like to do is I like to start by parting my hair down the middle so that I can start distributing the Frizz products that I mentioned I would show you guys, and also making sure that I can kind of distribute those evenly throughout my hair. Alright, so these anti-frizz products are also linked below. I'll spray it in my hair and brush it through to make sure it's like evenly distributed, and then I'll go ahead and proceed to put my hair into 4 sections like I mentioned. And now I'm going to blow dry each section. I make sure I blow dry all 4 sections separately, feeling through my hair, making sure that I don't have any damp spots, and then yeah. Okay, I'm done blow drying. Yep. And because I'm childish, okay, so now I am placing my hair back into 4 sections. Alright, so I have my Babyless Pro. Some people pronounce it Babyless, but it gets up to 450 degrees, but I'm setting it to 410. You'll see I am combing through as I'm flat ironing. Look at me, excited because I'm halfway there. Just a little close up. We want to make sure we're getting close to the root. All right, and I am done with that exercise. Look at our flow. Got that nice shine to it. I did not add anything for the shine. This comes with the products that I already have listed.